Dear students, today I am going to teach you about the terms of poetry. In your syllabus for the BA first year students, the very first term of poetry is a sonnet. First of all, we should know about the definition of the poetry or sonnet, that what is a sonnet. So, it is very simple that sonnet is a short poem of 14 lines. Sonnet is a short poem of 14 lines. 14 लाइनों की एक छोटी सी कविता होती है, इसको हम सॉनेट बोलते हैं. तो नाउ वी शुड नो अबाउट दैट इट्स ओरिजिन, इसकी उत्पत्ति कहाँ से हुई, कहाँ से सॉनेट आया इंग्लिश में. तो इट्स ओरिजिन फ्रॉम इटली. It is an Italian form of poetry and its origin from Italy. And who is the founder of sonnet? Now the question is that who is the founder of sonnet? Then we can say that its founder was Petrarch, P-E-T-R-A-R, Petrarch, an Italian poet. Who was Petrarch? An Italian poet. Who very first used that term of poetry. It was Petrarch. Now, who were the members who brought that form of poetry from Italy to England? From Italy to England. Then they were Henry Howard and Thomas Wyatt. Henry Howard and Thomas Wyatt, who brought that term of poetry from Italy to England. Now, its dividation, that how many kinds of who were Henry Howard and Thomas Wyatt? They were Earl of Surrey. Now, its kinds of sonnet, that how many kinds of sonnet? How many kinds of sonnet? There are two kinds of sonnets. So, two kinds. First is Italian sonnet and second is English sonnet. The another name of the Italian sonnet is Petrarchan sonnet. And its the another name of the English sonnet is Shakespearean sonnet. Italian sonnet and Petrarchan sonnet is the one part, and the another part is English sonnet and Shakespearean sonnet, because such kind of forms of poetry is brought from the Italy in the reign of the Elizabeth. That's why we can say that sonnet is the Elizabethan sonnet. And there is another name of Petrarchan sonnet is Miltonic sonnets. So, we can call it Italian sonnet, Petrarchan sonnet and the Miltonic sonnet. And another in England, we can say the sonnets, form of sonnet is English sonnet, Shakespearean sonnet and Elizabethan sonnet. Now, its form. Italian sonnets का form अलग है and English sonnet का form अलग है. Now, the Italian sonnets are divided into the two parts. One is octave and sestet, and the English sonnet is also divided into the two parts, quatrain and couplet. Now, I already taught you that there are 14 lines in a sonnet, and these 14 lines are divided into the two parts. So the one part is octave and the another part is the sestet in the only Italian sonnet form. So in octave there are 8 lines. The first 8 lines of the Italian sonnet are called octave, and the last 6 lines of the Italian sonnet are called sestet. And in the English sonnet, the first 12 lines from the 14 lines, the first 12 lines are called quatrain, and another left, the last 2 lines are called couplet. Last 2 lines are called couplets. Now we should know about the subject matter, of the Italian sonnet and the English sonnet separately. In Italian sonnet, in the very first 8 lines, in the octave parts, the poet complains on a subject, and that theme related in the complaint way, and in the same last 6 lines in Italian sonnet, in sestet, he gives its solution himself. Whereas in the English sonnet, the poet complains in the first 12 lines in his quatrain part and give its solution into the last 2 lines. For example, Italian sonnet, it is a very simple example on his blindness. On his blindness is a Italian sonnet, and English sonnet here, since let me marriage of the true minds is the English sonnet's example. Now it's clear. Father of sonnet, I already told you that the father of sonnet is Petrarch. And in this video, I first of all tell you about the definition of sonnet, then I tell you about the origin of the sonnet, then from which country it originated. Now the answer is that the sonnet is originated into the Italy, and then they were the Henry Howard and Thomas Yett who brought, they were the Earl of Surrey who brought that forms of poetry from Italy to the England. And then in England, the English poets reforms and review that form of poetry, and they change the Italian sonnets into the English sonnets. And the formation of change, what is the change? In Italy, sonnets were written into the octave and sestet part, but into the English sonnets in England, sonnets used to written into the quatrain and couplets parts. It's clear thing.